Hello friends, my name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the menu-driven program in C language using arithmetic operator in C language. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and here fix the position and here Turbo C++ for window base. I just double click and now it takes some process and open. Yes, and here first close all file and the alter F, that is a file menu. So here we can learn the menu. So menu means collection of different type option, like here new, open, save, save as, save all, change directory, print, dot, shell and quit. So that is called menu. So like file, edit, all are this all appear is a menu. And like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, there is a file menu is also there. So collection of different type options, that is called menu. And there menu is a fixed position, not a repeat again and again is appear and we can choose our option. So that is called option. Like here I select the new, so new file is open in C language or Turbo C++ editor. Okay, now here I write the definition of our program and write a menu driven. So generally we can write a program, but here write a menu driven, we can say that program to perform. Okay, so perform uh, arithmetic. So like a uh, arithmetic operator. Okay, so that is our goal. So with help of menu, we can take arithmetic action. So like let us start. And here first we include header file in link section. So first is a comment line, that is a document section. Okay, and here you can write here date, time, creation or definition or sub introduction of your file name, that is a in document section. And that first in link section we can provide std, standard input output dot h. H means header file. And next is a conio.h, console input output dot h. So now we can take directly fifth section in a main, that is a main function. In some students say that main is a inbuilt function, but no, that is wrong answer. Main is a user defined function in C language. Okay, so let us take some variable declaration, x, then y, and then res, result, and assign to 0, and ch for choice of menu. Then clear screen. If you write only 2 or 3 lines in your code, then first you can take save your file. Otherwise, if power is gone, so your file is not saved or again is come back. So I just press F2, that is shortcut key, and here give the name like menu underscore ARI, arithmetic operation dot C. So you can follow like that rules of variable. First letter must be alphabet, symbol is not allowed but underscore is allowed, and reserve keyword is not allowed. Maximum 8 character length you have to apply, otherwise that is take some symbol, so means not proper appear in list file of list that time. So now that is a 8 character, and we can understand that is a menu, and some ARI means arithmetic operation we have to directly understand in our mind. So that's the name of file. You can follow some rules, file name, folder name, and variable name. Follow the rules of variable. Okay, now we can take, if you not watch my video lecture while loop and switch case decision statement, so you can refer first watch this my YouTube video, Jala Shokshi Sir Academy. So then a better idea to this program, because here we can use the while loop and switch case logic. So while one, so that is a advanced feature of while loop. That loop means there is a always true. That's meaning that one means always. One means true and zero is false. So one we have to pass. So that loop is a like repeat and repeat again. Like say that infinite loop. So what is an infinite loop? infinite loop is endless loop. That is, we can take some action. Otherwise, it is loop is a again and again repetition. So that loop is known as infinite. So same like here we can pass one. So that loop is sometime like a infinite. We can take some action. For that action, we can use the exit function in C language. So let us start our menu and we can understand what is use of exit function in C language. And also we can use delay function. So there are two main important programming in menu driven that is use these two function. So here first start our menu and first choice, and that is a addition slash and that is a black slash character constant is a slash and n. So two character, but that is a single character constant referring the C language, and that other name is a escape sequence character constant. Okay, so now our choice is 2, and that is a subtraction slash n, 3 multiplication, yes, and slash n, and 4 choice, that is our division, yes, and slash n. Fifth choice is a modulo division, yes, and sixth choice we can say that exit. So we can use exit function in sixth choice. So our menu is ready. Now take some message and scan the ch choice variable. So enter your choice. Okay. So first two letter we can pass in scanf because ch is our variable and that is integer. So that is percentage d for decimal, and that known is a formatting symbol in C language. Okay. So ampersand ch. So ampersand y because that is a refer the compiler give 2 bytes to ch or all these integer because there are 2 bytes in integer value held in C language. So ampersand refer the given by the address to compiler. So now our menu is ready, choice is ready. Now we can take the switch case. Switch case is also decision statement, and branching we can say that like real tree number of root and branch is there. So here switch is a root and number of case is there branch. Okay. So here we can take first case in constant integer. Here integer constant 1. So that we can give the addition operation. So res x plus y. So that is our addition, and just use third keyword, and that is a break. So switch is a keyword, case is a keyword, and break is a keyword. So here successfully one case, and we can just to copy these two line and paste. Okay. So here we can choice 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and then 6. And 6 is a there is no required to this, and just we can exit 1. So we can prefer what is exit, and we can provide the exit that time not require break keyword case. Okay. And also take the default case, and that's we can just print some message, and that is we can invalid we can say that choice or here is a operation. So you can give the message and that require the break keyword. So in switch case syntax there are 4 keywords: switch, case, break, and default. So 4 keyword used at a same time. And here we can here subtraction is required, so minus sign, and multiplication in real that is dot use in maths sign, maths subject, but here is a asterisk is a multiplication, and then division we can slash is a division. In real we can use percentage sign, and module is a use percentage sign. Okay, but we can scan our variable that is a here required. So before the switch we can provide the enter x value from user side. So we can take that sum and multiplication of all arithmetic operations. So here also percentage d and ampersand x, and just I copy this line to y variable. So there is scan is can scan from user side. X and Y value is required, so we can perform arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and module division. So now for okay, and then here after the switch block we can print our result here. That is, we can print our variable res. So our result is percentage d and then variable comma is the operator and then give the res, and here we can provide the get ch. So generally we can provide in the closing main brace before the year, like here get ch. But in menu driven program you can provide here get ch. Why? Because we can see our output, and here if you provide, then what happened, let us check. Here I just comment and first save F2 and compile. So that is one warning is giving, and our exe file is generated but warning is there. Let us check what is a warning. So here unreachable code, because in menu driven program in sixth case we can give the exit function, so our compiler not to reach here, directly come back to directly switch case and terminate the six exit function. So here is not required, I just remove, and here we can see our output. So here is required and save. And what is a use of exit function? So here first provide that header file, and that is a process, yes, process uh, process.h, yes. So let us check in help menu, alter h, yes, and index is there, and type the exit. So here there are two library or header file is there, process.h and std standard library.h. So here we can use process, you can also stdlib, there is no any error. And here that use termination the program, that is use of, you can terminate your program with help of exit function in C language, and their declaration void return type is a void keyword and exit function name, and within a parenthesis we can pass the integer status 1. So in below of this here taking example here also, so you can also watch that example, like I just enter. So that example is here giving some example. So exit function use. So we can directly use here. So just accept key and back the editor. So we can use process.h for exit function, that header file, that use of terminate your program. So we can give the sixth choice, that is a not requiring switch case is a first time you can see here break keyword is not required. Before in the syntax rule, if you here provide, there is no error. I like just I show you here, I take break keyword and save and then compile, there is no any error, but not required, that is a meaning. So switch case syntax is a every case terminate with break, but here is a exit before, not taking this compiler here not come back to break keyword exit. When key when choice 6, that time directly terminate your program and come back to our editor. So here not required, so I just remove because there is no required. So I save and let us check this logic. Yes, so I control F9 and menu is appear, and like provide one, so one choice, and that is addition like 10 and 20. 30 is answer, yes. I just press enter key, so again our menu is appear. So that is I show you how menu is, that is not perfect menu, we can improve our some codes. So menu I can first understand, in file menu there is fixed position, so here not position is fixed, again in again repetition, so we can take some action or improve our code. So now I give the second choice, we can first see all option, then we can take some improvement or code. And here I give 20 and then 10. So 10 is subtraction is there, okay. And again menu is appear, then third choice, then like 5 and 2. So 5 multiply 2, 10, answer is yes, no any error. Then here enter, again menu is appear, or previous menu is out of screen. So that is a some simple improvement is required in this menu. And now I give the fourth choice, and that is a division. So here we can divide like 10 by 2, so 5 is answer, and 10 enter key. Again menu is appear, 5 choice modulo division, and here take 5 uh, modulo 2, so remainder is 1, yes, and enter key. And we can also take 6 before we can take 9. There is a default block is work or well or not. So here again asking the x and y value, and then now invalid operation and result is 1. So there is a 9 is default work is also work, yes, and now I can give the 6. Okay, and then we can provide here second improvement in our logic. So here like you can give the choice 6, so that time not asking the x and y value. So here 1 and 2, so then come back to our code editor. So we can see previous or output alter F5 is a shortcut key. So we can see now we can enter choice 6, that time asking the uh, x and y value. So we can improve two. First improvement our code is a menu is not repetition, and second we can give the 6 choice, that time not asking the x and y value because there is not any operation, just come back to editor. Okay, so there are 3 ways. First, see your output control F9. There is a one choice I just give, and here I 6. So here I can just show you what is a problem in second in our menu. So here 6 choice is a exit. So why asking to X and Y value? So that is some improvement, and then come back. Okay, and alter F5. So where is this shortcut key? You can see second way to your output, and and third way you can alter F5 menu, and here door shell is there. So you can also see your output in above of this line, and here door shell. So here exit command is there, like exit function is there in Turbo C++, or you can say that C language. Okay, so alter W. So here is the option in second user screen, alter F5. Okay, if you are close your file, then option is alter F3. So in your editor you can use all options, then you can better your coding understanding or performance easy way, because there is some shortcut key in menu. Okay, now we first improve our repetition menu again. So just I only simple change is required, and that I initially not given. I just idea what is a menu. So here like a file menu, that is a fixed position. So you can understand very well. So I first I know very well what happened in this program. So here I previously not giving the clear screen. So that menu is a fixed position. So I take outside clear screen. I just shift delete cut and put into the while loop. So there is a one solution is improve our coding. So menu is a clear and then appear, clear and then appear. So you can like here file menu, that position is fixed. So now our menu is position is fixed. You just here comment line in clear screen, then repetition is menu is startup. So just clear and then same position that appear, clear and then appear. So that is a first improvement. And second improvement, when we give the 6 choice, that time not asking to the xy value. So here we use the simple if condition in xy. So here if condition is required, ch equal means relational operator, one choice, and logical and sorry, or operator, logical or operator. There is a sign like pipe sign is there, some symbol is there. Okay, so that is logical or, then ch equal 2, and yes, ch equal 3, and yes, logical or equal 4, and logical or equal 5. So that time these only 4, then and then asking to the xy value, otherwise it is not required. So we provide the if condition. So when we provide 6, that time not, because there is a, we can fix the our choice up to 1 to 6, then and then xy is required, otherwise it is not required. So there is a clear screen, that is first improvement or code, and that is a if condition, that is a second solution. Okay. Okay, first we can check, and then here also one improvement is remaining, but I first show you and then we can take, so you can understand very well what happened. Like first any change you that is a source file, so here we can do change clear screen taking the inside the while loop, and here if condition is provided. So first you can save, yes, F2 is there, yes, save, yes, and then F9, so new exe. uh, Otherwise, what happened? Your previously exe file is running and your effect is not appear in the latest exe. So always you can save, then compile and then run. That is a maintain your sequence. So you can latest your file output is you can see. Okay. So now I give the control F9 and let us check what is a require some more improvement. Yes, here uh, uh, 10 and 20, so 30 is the answer. So here is waiting cursor for our some process, because there is get ch is a accept one character but not echo one, not display, so we can see our output, and just I press enter key, then come back to the choice. So why, what we can take directly automatically appear in the choice, so we can use some function, and that function name is a delay function in C language. So let us first check all is well or not. Okay, so is 7 is there, 9 minus 2, yes, just again and again I press the enter key and then come back the choice, so we can improve some logic. And here multiplication 5 multiply 2, so 10 is answer. Again press enter key. Next is a division, so I give 9 and 3 20. Okay, division, yes, 3 is there, 9 divided by 3. And now fifth choice, and that is a like I give the 9 and 2, so 1 is reminder, yes. And then our second improvement, that menu is in a fixed position, no just clear and appear same position, we like fixed, that is menu. So menu is a static, like in design part. Okay. Okay, now I give 6, so we cannot require XY value. Just come back to our editor. Yes, there is a to implement is complete, but I show you more improvement is required, and that is a get ch. I just comment, and directly we can see our output and directly come back. We cannot press enter key again and again. So there is a delay function that is named delay, and 1000. Okay, that is millisecond, and here that header file is required, and that name is a dose.h, dose. Okay, dose shell is there, this operating system. And alter h help menu index, and I just press delay, so we can see here that what is used, delay function, what is used, suspected execution for interval millisecond, and return type void, and then unsigned, not pass signed value, unsigned integer, like our memory address is a unsigned percentage u, we can print our memory address. So unsigned integer, my data type in C. Watch YouTube my video lecture, then we can, I also print data type address unsigned u for unsigned integer. So here unsigned millisecond is used. So here is a delay, and that meaning is a suspectation execution for interval. So in between we can see our output and then take the control compiler, and like 1000 millisecond is wait, and then control is come back to our required position. So we can use the delay function, and here give the like sound delay and no sound. So that is inbuilt function. So that is our goal. We can sufficient. We cannot press enter key, directly come back to our choice. So let us check. I just accept key, and that is a delay function. Let us check what happened. Control I first F2 save, and then control F9 compile and then run. So I can give first choice here. I take again I give some 8 and minus addition 2. so 10, and I not press enter, directly come back because temporarily suspended our program, like, and we can see our output and directly come back. Then control, halt that control, that is again delay. So delay is a some waiting process. Compiler hold some time and then we can see our output. Not press enter key again and again. So now I can give choice 2, and that is a subtraction. So 9, 3. So 6 is answer. Yes, I not press enter key. Then 3 choice like 9 and 3, 27. Yes, 4 choice division. So 15 divided by 3. So 5 is there. Yes, and then fifth choice modulo. So like 7, 2, 1 is reminder, and last 6 exit. So come back to our editor. So I just remove in there are two choice. You can see your output, get ch and delay function. Now in menu driven program, okay, normal program you can use the get ch, but here not required. I just remove this comment line, so because there is no require. Now all is well, and uh, second we can in switch case there is one possibility. Here we can give the character integer constant. Here we can also give the character constant. So first your mind how we can give the character constant in arithmetic operation. So here is possibility. I just remove this ch choice variable to integer and taking the character variable ch, and here we can take appropriate action in the scanf function, and here c percentage c for character data type. Yes, and here we can provide our arithmetic operator like plus is a addition, then minus in single quote because there is a character constant, so single quote. In string is a double quote required, like string 1D array. Okay, so here is a multiplication sign is required. Now here is a division, and last is a modulo division. Percentage sign is required. So here is well. Now we can take character constant in every case. So 6 case is there. So here we can take plus sign. So there is no problem, no error. And here's minus sign. There is same. And we can provide the asterisk sign, multiplication. So we can use directly our operator arithmetic. We can directly handle our program. So let us check that is also work. So you can just idea, but our coding is well, and there is no any problem. But here you can get the in switch case also you can use the character constant. Okay, so here last is exit. So there is a not sign. We can give the e, the character e is a exit, and also possible we can take here two case simultaneously, and here first give capital E and here we can give small e. Both case exit is work. Okay, so there is a some improvement more. So you can also take two cases at the same time. So switch case you can understand better way. Okay, so yes, and there is we can testing here like here we can get ch and delay both are work. We can prove there is two techniques, see our output. And also in menu driven program there is a while loop and do while loop. So here we can first use the while loop. Now in this improvement I use the do while loop. So do, and here after the here, and that's while. So after this we can take while, and semicolon is required, that syntax, and ch not equal to, we can say that in this is if digit is there then you can provide the 6 not equal, there is the relational operator. In first our character integer constant is there, that time if you use this do while loop, that time you can give the not equal to 6, but here we can give the e and logical or, and ch here not equal to like capital. First we can give the capital because we can provide in case sequence, so you can not problem any, but just okay single quote. Yes, let us check I first save, then compile. Yes. Okay, yes, here character constants for single quote is required, otherwise it is taking error. Yes, now is okay. I save, yes, F2 compile. Yes, there is a do while statement. Okay, do statement must have while. Okay, so here, okay, yes, give here not, but that is a switch case. Here I just remove because that brace is a switch case we provide here, that is while, do while. So here is required, so that is improvement, no problem. So there is now all error is gone, so we can take care some. Okay, so I just show you do while loop is also in menu driven program work. So now I compile, and one remaining thing is that, and that is a character data type you can scan. I just show you can what happen. So here some you can buffer overflow. So there is a mistake, all these things like I provide one, so here directly invalid and that type of message here so that is not working because I show you how what happened. Our buffer flow is overflow when you can scan the character data type. So one more function we have to take, and I just close. So you can also care about this when you can scan the character data type. That time you can use the flush. F flush function is there. So buffer flow is overflow. That time I just open this file, and now one change is required in this. So you can understand that is taking error. So here before the scanf we provide F flush function, that is a std in, and that is not require any header file. I just show you alter h head and index, and that is f flush, that is std standard. That header file we can already include standard input, and that is a file stream. Stream is collection of bytes file. Okay, there is also data type and integer return that return data type, and flush a stream. So whenever we can scan the character, like character ch is our choice now, character data type, that time we can provide because we can disturb all program to scan the character data type. Then normal we can like ch like taking here we constant we have to print like capital A, like I just show you capital A. So that time you can scan also, or constant value you can also print, but you can provide the flush function, otherwise your program is totally disturbed. So here input is a totally disturbance because buffer is overflow, so we can take some action, and that is a std in. If your output is not properly, then you can use std out, in and out. That is a stream, input stream and output stream. Okay, so now we can check our logic, and here we provide the plus sign, not 1 2 3, because we have to take the character. So here I plus sign, and then our addition like 10 and 20. So 30 is answer. Yes, now is okay. And same program work. Yes, I give the minus sign like 9 and 4. So 5 is subtraction operation. Now I give asterisk. So be careful. Now our program is perfect. So when you can give the character constant, that time F flush is a flush, your buffer flow is overflow. That time is the character data type perfectly not supported by C compiler, or you can say that so buffer is overflow. So that time take some flush operation, flush your stream. Okay, so now we say asterisk multiplication. So like here we multiply 5 to 10 is answer. That is simple. And now that is slash division. So 15 divided by 2. So 7 is there. And now fifth, so that is a percentage modulo sign, and that's like 11 and 2, so 1 is reminder. Yes, and last is a 6. That time be careful, you can print capitally or smally, because we can character constant, not provides digit. Okay, so here character you can provide both. Capitally, that is well work, and smally both are work. Let us check. So first I give the small, I again run, and here I give the capital E. So that is comeback program. So all is well. So many things you can learn in this session. So I uh, very well, so many improvement in this programming. First, we can use the while loop while always one, and he in switch case we take the first 1 2 3. We can say that integer constant, and now in last we can use the character constant, and we can first problem in a problem, but not problem saying that, but just improvement like our menu is again and again appear. So clear screen is appear here, and we can take uh, get ch understand, and here we can use the like delay function. We can first use the get ch. So in menu driven program we can use the delay. Okay, so I think you can all is well. And also you can use do while loop same in previously our logic like 1 2 3 4, that is choice integer choice character is a integer variable, there is no any error. So same as I just show you in last time. So here one all, here I first as while one, and here take the like I just move this line and provide here like ch. Okay, so just integer, and here we can provide like first one and two. I just show you what is a condition in the do while loop. So here 2 is 3 is required, here is a 4 is required, and here is a we can say that fifth is required. Okay, now here also change, and that case is a like 1, and here is again 2, and our scanf is remaining. So that time flush function is not required. So here I just provide the d. Okay, so because ch now is character, and so here is 3, and here is a 4, and here is a like 5, and there is a here we can go just 6, and that second case is not required, and directly yes, and here is well, and here in do while loop here we can now remove because we take the while loop. Okay, let us check. Yes, no problem. And flush we can. I just show you. Yes, no problem. As it is work, I give 6 choice. Yes, come back. No problem. Okay, now I use the do while loop in character integer constant. So what is a condition? My goal is learn the to you in while loop. Here you can give ch not equal to 6 and semicolon. Here we can say that you cannot provide the semicolon in condition, but here in do while loop that is a syntax part. So now let us check for I give as randomly 2, then x is a like 10, and subtraction is there, so just so 4 is there, then yes 3, and now multiplication 6 and 3 18, yes, and now fourth division as it is previously work. So here 7 and 2 3, yes, division is there, and fifth choice that is a modulo. So 7 and 2, so 1, and last 6, so come back. So also do while loop, and I just show you. So do while loop as it is work, and while loop is as it is work. So there are two choice. Okay, so I so we can so many testing in this coding. So I now we can use here as previously. So I just show you here we can change for last time, and that's here I just previously that is a important, and here character ch. Okay, so flush is required, here we can c is required, and here we can again give the plus sign, and here again the minus sign, and here again give the asterisk sign, and here last time I show you division, and last is a we can say that module division. So yes, okay, just condition is taking. I just enter key. Okay, and now modulo last, yes. So flush is there, and now our case is we have to as given as previous. So here in single quote plus sign. So some student is require this, and some student require some previously this. So both is well. So there is no any problem. You can do your choice. You can use the character constant or uh, integer constants. Okay, so depend upon your choice. So in switch case both logic work well. So here I just show you, and here you can provide capitally in single word, otherwise taking the error, and case 2 that is same in small e. So both are okay. Here I remove this blank. Okay, and now coding is well, and here we can also give like first capital E not equal to, and logical or operator ch not equal to relational operator and small e. Okay, so now let us check no any error, and I just run as a okay. So there is a required flush percentage, yes. In come back we can, there is a switch case in here, we can just close and then again, yes, there is a required to percentage cease. So there is a problem. So here I just open last time, and there is a here flush, yes, we have to provide flush, yes, ch, yes, no problem. And we can provide the choice, yes, there is a mistake, we have to provide in my, I can close my editor, but here we can one we can provide here, that is mistake because we generally choice in menu 1 2 3, but here choice is a plus sign, then is work well. So that is sometimes they are taking mistake by default. So because we generally our habit is giving the integer 1 2 3. So here is a symbol, so we can take some action, that is a, I show you what happened. Okay, so like I provide 9 and 4. So what is the idea here, we can improve. Here I give the choice again 6, so that is like, that is invalid operation because we can come out e. So here provide some improvement more, and that is a last improvement I show you. So here we can take some user guidance. You can enter plus, minus, and asterisk, and then division, and then module division, and come out to E, or you can use or and small e. So user see your message and understand, not enter the in like here our message is now appear. So we not mistake, like I by mistake I give the first time one, and then our comeback editor close so forcefully. So that time what happened, so here I plus sign, then our first choice is appear. By mistakenly you provide here one, then you cannot invalid operation is there. Okay, so here we can like I show you, I just enter p, so there is invalid operation and result is 0. So I show you again because there is was invalid and result is 0. 0 is assigned by default. Okay, so any of these 6 character plus 1, that is symbol, but that is also in character set. So I here we can use the plus signs, then and then we can addition operation is 12, 8 plus 4, then minus subtraction, yes, all is well, no problem, but 6, then asterisk sign. Okay, so be careful this character constant, integer constant, there is no any error in taking by student, but in character constant you by mistakenly provide the integer 1 2 3, then invalid operation, and your program is you have to terminate forcefully. So that is last improvement, guides to user, that is a enter your choice in parentheses, give this, only this set is there. Okay, so that is last improvement in this program, and that last I can show you multiplication. Okay, and then we can choose is a modulo, that is a symbol, not phi is by mistakenly I press the phi and watch our guidance message. So I just idea for you. Okay, now here I give the like 11 and 2. So one is reminder and last E. So both we have two testing, small e and again I run and capital. So both case we can come back. Now all is well. So there is no any guidance is required. So that is a session of totally how menu driven program controlling the C language. That is a best session. If you understand well, there is success my hard work. So I so many improvement for you. So here we can three main function we have to learn, and that first function is exit, that process.h is required. Then we can use delay, that is dot shell dos.h and delay function, and then you can pass millisecond. And third important, that is a flush, that is you can scan your simple any character data type. That time you can use the flush function in C language, because that is otherwise your buffer is overflow and your all uh, output is disturbance. Okay, and we can uh, first use here get ch. I just summarize, and uh, then here we can repetition solution again and again. Clear screen is there, and we can exit time. We can hurdles the gets asking the x and y value. We can improve our that if condition, and not exit time this x and y value asking to our program. And here we can do testing integer constant and character constant. So, so many things you have to learn this session if you take care of C programming or you good developer programming C. So I think that is the best session for your. So what is a menu driven program in C language? So I think you can understand what is a menu driven, very important, and understanding you can apply any program. That is a just example in arithmetic operation in the menu driven program in C language. So I hope you can understand. So we can here first comment line header, I can main declare the variable only three integer, and then character first we can take all integer, then we can do testing while loop and do while. Clear screen first we can outside the while loop, and then here do while loop here take, and also while loop and taking menu and suitable guidance message. That is a very important improvement. You can like just simple message is there, but very careful user can alert this message that is not giving the wrong value, and that is a improvement over exit time. Not user can not supply the x and y value. And now switch case, there are two testing, character integer constant and character constant. So there is a very simple logic, but here you can colon sign before the single 1, 2, 3 integer constant and character constant, exit function and delay function. Delay is better than get ch to see your output, and then while loop, do while loop, we can also understand, and not here in after the get ch is required. We can just I compile, and there before there is a warning, but is this time not a warning, because here we can use the delay function. So when you can use here gets here that your coding is not reached to here, so here is not required because we can come back before the here exit function. So now I complete my session and alter, I just revise, you can watch and not out of this program to your book. So I just refer all is well, and here our menu. Okay, so write this program to your note. So flush function clear the buffer, delay function that is suspect and program temporary millisecond, and exit come out the, there is three main menu driven programming use these three function. Okay, so I just alter F3 and alter X quit. So I hope enjoy this session and so many things learning in this session. So subscribe my channel Ashok C Jala Academy, press the bell icon, watch and share my video lecture. And thanks for previously so many students subscribe my channel, sharing my video lecture to other college students and friends. So I hope you can enjoy and more learning in C language, many things in my video lecture. So thanks for your watching and supporting and sharing. And Hare Krishna.